Hi everyone, it's Tech Assistant Chris from the Okanagan Regional Library. Let's get right to it. Do you like flowers? Me too. They're pretty and they feed the bees. But you know what's better? Flowers you can eat. Eating flowers, that's not science. But wait, yes it is. To attach the sugar to the flowers, we need some glue. No, not that kind. We need glue we can eat. Guess what makes glue you can eat? Egg whites. Not the whole egg, just the white part that surrounds the yolk. Egg white's been used as a glue for hundreds of years. The protein in the egg white attaches to the other surfaces on a molecular level. That's what makes it work so well as a natural glue. Furniture makers once used it to hold their chairs together. Artists used to mix colored pigments with egg white to create long-lasting paint. Bookmakers used it to attach gold leaf to precious books. We can't eat books and chairs and paint, but we can eat flowers. But wait, we can't eat all flowers, only certain kinds. Some will make you sick, so you need a good guide. Find a book or an online guide to edible flowers. I'm starting with the easy ones: violets, Johnny Jump-Ups, and pansies. All pansies belong to the viola family. Viola? Viola? Viola! But not all violas are pansies. Wait, that's confusing. Okay, if it looks like this, and it has 4 petals pointing up and 1 pointing down, that's a pansy. If it has 2 petals pointing up and 3 pointing downward, it's a viola. Pansies are bigger, violas are smaller. So let's pick some flowers. Some warnings: don't pick flowers that don't belong to you. Don't pick flowers that grow next to the road or in parking lots. They could be contaminated. Don't pick flowers that have been treated with pesticides. That includes flowers growing under power lines. Only pick and eat flowers that you have positively identified as ones that you can eat. If you're not sure, ask someone who knows. Now, I'm going to pick some flowers. I know I can find violets and pansies and also Johnny Jump-Ups. Here's a Johnny Jump-Up. It belongs to the viola family and is edible. Awesome. Now, let's find some violets. These are growing out in the wild where the forest animals frolic. Snip them off and put them in your pot. Nice. Here are some pansies. Let's eat those too. I asked permission because these belong to my mum. Leave the stems on to make the flowers easier to hold. We'll trim them off later. Now look at all these flowers we collected. Let's make them taste tasty. First, you need a bowl or 2, and eggs, some wax paper, a paintbrush, white sugar, and your flowers. You can use castor sugar, which is ultrafine sugar, but I'm just using the regular stuff. Lay your flowers out on some wax paper so they don't stick to the table. Don't leave them sitting around too long or they'll go all wrinkly, wah wah wah, and you'll have to do it all over again. To make the candied flowers, crack an egg into a bowl and remove the yolk. I use the old eggshell like a scoop. Scramble the egg white a little bit with a fork. Use a clean paintbrush to apply egg white to the flowers, then sprinkle sugar on top. Leave them out to dry for a few hours and then store them in a jar and put them in a cool, dry place. Then you can use them on cake or ice cream. Ta-da! Delicious! These can hypothetically be stored for months, but I'd use them sooner rather than later. Alright, that's it. We're done. Don't forget to clean up your mess. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more cool videos, and join us next time. Bye for now. Psst, you can eat these too.